Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a morphing tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. Let's create a new composition. Make sure it's 1920 by 1080 or whatever you want. 30 frames per second, 4 seconds. Looks good to me. Let's name it tutorial, and then looks good to me. First step, we're going to create a solid for the background. I like this color. I'm going to keep it the same. Make sure it's comp size, and let's name this background. And click OK. Next, you want to click the lock button, and then the shy button, and then enable shy, so the layer goes away, and you won't be able to move it or anything. Like, you won't be able to move it at all. Now, next, you're going to want to create a shape. I'm going to create a square, perfect square. So next we're going to align it, and then make sure the anchor point, select the shape layer, make sure the anchor point is centered by clicking Control and then moving it to the center. And then you're going to go to path, right click, convert to Bezier path, and then create a keyframe on the Bezier path, and then just click off of it. Make sure you click off this layer because you're going to want to create a new shape in a different shape layer. Next, I'm going to create a triangle, align it, select polystar path. Do not right click. If you want to create a triangle, you're going to have to keep it on the normal path and then select 3 points to create a triangle. And then next, you want to right click, convert to Bezier path, and then set a keyframe, and then make sure you copy this keyframe, go to contents, rectangle, path, and then move about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7 is fine. And then click Control. Oops. Make sure you select the path and then click Control V. And then if you see here, it like glitches up and moves the position. To fix that, you want to copy, paste this keyframe, delete the original keyframe, and then move the keyframe back. So now you won't get the moving effect. And then you can go ahead and delete the triangle. So now we're going to align it again, make sure it's centered. Just move the anchor point. Next, we're going to create another shape. I'm going to make a simple star, align it, move the anchor point. Just make sure it's aligned. Okay, and then go to polystar path 1, convert to Bezier path. Select a keyframe, copy, delete, go back, go to path 1. Make sure when you do this, when you're morphing the triangle, to copy this keyframe, move it over 7 and paste it. I forgot to do that, but I can add it anyways. So I'm just going to paste this keyframe, the star keyframe, go back, copy the triangle keyframe, move over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, paste it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then put the star keyframe 7 frames ahead. And then it's just a repeating process. Copy, go over 7 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, paste, make a new shape and a new shape layer. Make it that it has to be in a new shape layer. Align it, move the anchor point, and then go to ellipse path, convert to Bezier path, create a keyframe, copy, delete, 7 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, paste, oops, select path and paste. So now we have this. And it seems a little fast, but you can also spread them out to make it slower. I'm not going to do that. You can do that. It's pretty easy. The next step would be to make it look a little nicer, add pixel motion blur right here. Just type in pixel and then drag it on to your shape layer. Put it to like 10 samples, 250 angle. And then it's going to be hard to render, to ramp preview it, but you can kind of tell that there is motion blur. You can add more motion blur, add more angle. All depends on what you like. The higher the numbers in pixel motion blur, the longer the render will be. So make sure you don't ram this up to 256. That'd be too much. I'm gonna stick with 10 for now. And yeah, it's pretty simple morphing tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you later.